Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry I haven't been like with you guys. I know I have been posting like videos about like things that already happened, but like I really want to post them because I want to have them on my YouTube channel so I can go back and see them. And I got my nails done today. Today is December 9th and it's like 10:30 right now, and I know I'm doing it late, but like I wanted to do it because I haven't seen you guys, not seen you guys, but like talked to you guys in a while, so that really makes me sad. So yeah, I cleaned up my room for you guys because I want to do a room tour. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, room tour, of course, in the title. That's pretty much it. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you guys are still watching, don't forget to press that red button down there to be subscribed with me and follow me wherever I go, my journey. Yeah, it's almost New Year's, so oh yeah, and I put my tree up today. Really excited, it's really cute. I can't wait for Christmas, but I'm not gonna have anything down here, of course, because I don't know. And let's go check out my room. Door, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna show you the front because there's stickers like this and it's just embarrassing. Okay, so once you walk in, you're not gonna see the back part, of course, right? But I'm gonna show you the back part. This is my little mom from, I think, 8th grade year. Sorry, I have swatches of eyeliner. I went to the mall today. Okay, so this right here is my little cheerleader of the week. I was the second cheerleader of the week on football season. So yeah, go HHS. These are my medals from cheer. Okay, so this is All-American. This was from last year. Yeah, last year, my sophomore year. So All-American. I couldn't go to London last year because wow, it was a lot of money. This was my 8th grade year. Yeah, at UTRGV. Made All-American there. This was from our past competition. Participation medal. Yeah, over there at Austin. We went to the UT football game and it was really awesome. I'll probably insert clips here. If not, I'll make a video out of it because I have videos of it. But so this is my marching band medals. I have 2 of these from my first year, which was Dia de los Muertos. I have 2 of these from BOA and I think BOA San Antonio. So there's that one, and then this one. Yeah, this is pigskin. I don't know. Okay. I have 2 of these. 3rd place, winter season. Oh yeah. So then this is like last year's 2017. This was Peace and Love, and oh yeah, it was a pretty good show. I love the ballad. Okay, this right here is my XV little thing that you could sign on. It's pretty cute. Yeah, this was already 2 years ago. I'm really sad about it. Okay, so over here we have like my bag section, my belt section, and my purse section. It's dirty. Okay, I got Guess belt with the little pocket thing. I have Michael Kors pink and then Michael Kors silver, and then this holographic purse that's really cute. I love it. And then I got this as a gift. I got this one from my aunt. This is Betsy. I think this is, what is this? Okay, yeah, it's dirty. Okay, whatever. Okay, and then the Guess one, and then I got this from, I don't know where, but it's really cute. Like, I love the vibes because, like, it's happy. Yeah, me. Okay, and just belts. I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I have another belt right here. Bye-bye. And yeah, that's pretty much here. Okay, here's my restroom. I cleaned it for you guys too, so look. Okay, so this is my restroom. I have like my contact solution, my concealer, some jewelry here because I know I'm gonna lose it, so I put it here instead of here. Then my, of course, toothpaste. How do you call this? Contact solution, yeah. And then my mouthwash, my brush. I love purple, as you can tell. So this is pretty much a thing. You put like liquid perfume and you put it there and it sends out the perfume almost or whatever. Okay, so this is, whoa, okay, private, you know. So this is my mirror, so hey, what's up? I'm right there. Yeah, and then this has little things. This is where my shoes go, like my shoes boxes, so they go here, so then let's go out again. Now to this side of the room is my bed, and yeah, that's pretty, yeah, my bed, right? I have 2 stitch. I got 1 for my 15, and the other stitch was a gift exchange, or not a gift exchange, but like, okay, whatever, for marching band. And well, yeah, I just have this A that was for my 15. Okay, so then I have those. I have princesses. Yeah, because, you know, I still like princesses. I got Bella, I got Aurora, I got Snow White, I got Ariel. Okay, and there's this thing where my dad gave it to me when I was little, and it's pretty cute because it is. I love the colors that are in it. And well, I have those things like that because I don't want them all like down, or I don't know, it's just too long. This is from my cheerleading coach. It says my name. It's pretty cute too. I love the colors in this bed, that's why I got it. This side I have my little two lights. Yeah, they're pretty cute. The unicorn, of course, and don't forget to smile because just do it. I don't know, just do it. Okay, so right here I have my closet, and of course I have this background little blanket or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I have it up there because I don't want to take it down because I might use it and I don't want to put it back up, you know. And when my closet's right here, I know it's ugly or whatever, but you know, YOLO, right? I have a small closet. I have my clothes here. I bought this today for New Year's, so I'm really excited to use that. My clothes are here. I have my jewelry here. Okay, so inside my closet, I have this little like girl that is like right there with her dress de Flocorico, and it's really pretty. Thank you to my uncle. He bought it when I was marching for peace and love, so thank you so much. I love it. I have my 2 stars that I bought from Xcaret, Cancun, and they're really pretty. I have 2 of them, and then this one from a gift exchange from marching band as well 2 years ago. So down here I have all my palettes, the Gigi, because like, you know, it's all holographic. I have my glasses here. So over here I have my Jaclyn Hill case brush palette. I have the Wet n Wild Fergie little palette. It has a lot of shades, thanks to my aunt too. My aunt also glasses. Over here I have the cases of the palettes. I have film from a camera that my dad lent me. I have paint. I have my beats from my uncle, thank you so much. I have a case from Tarte, thank you mother. I have a box that is from ColourPop. I don't know why I still have it. Thanks to my aunt again. She bought me this last Christmas. It's really cute and useful. This from Xcaret that I used. Sorry if like the videos came out kind of like foggy, so I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, next. And then over here there's just papers of my years at school. Over here I have my luggage, my 15 that you would write, yeah, right there. Okay, and then like a Cinderella thing, and then I have my treasure, and I have another suitcase or luggage, and the things that I bought today, and I'll show you guys later on that. Okay, so then over here I have my little makeup section. I have my Stitch earrings, oh my gosh, ears, my Mickey ears. Okay, I have my brushes here. I have what I used on Halloween, which I have all my brushes here. Most of these are from the Jaclyn Hill collection, but not the ones that barely came out. These were the first ones that she came out with, which were her Jaclyn Hill's favorite. Thank you to my aunt because she bought them for me. I have this because it smells really good. Yeah, more brushes. What's up? I got lipsticks, Patrick, Revlon, Rimmel's primer. Got Fix Plus. I got this powder, which is pretty good, that my aunts gave me. I got this from accounting. I got this from the first time I went to Disney. This is my little cousin's that I have to give to her because it's not mine. Me and my mother. This is when I was, I think, in kinder. And then this little thing that I have there, it says, for he who always does his best. Okay, well, no, whatever. Forget about this. Okay, so then over here, I have this little thing that I got from Dallas that my mom gave me. I have my earphones, some earrings there I have to put away. This is from Xcaret. This is from my friend Waldo. And this $2 bill. And, you know, this is just a little necklace. This is like my dirty brushes because I have to clean these because they're right there because they're dirty. Here I have this little note from my uncle that he gave me from buying a dress, and it was really cute. Thank you, uncle. And it says, to the most beautiful princess in the worlds. Enjoy, your Tío Eduardo. Thank you, Tío. I love you so much. Okay, so, oh, hey. Okay, so over here I have my friend Angela with the Stitch that I got from Pigskin. This is of, well, Disney World. Disney World, yeah, that was after I went to Disney World. Obviously, I have this from San Antonio, I believe. I have like this little gel that I use in my hair so I could like do braids. My little hairs won't stick out, thanks to Marlene. My little, oh, it's perfume that has glitter, so it's pretty cute. It smells really nice. It's from, wait, Bath and Body Works. And then I have this toothbrush, not for my teeth but for my baby hairs, you know. I would use this. Yeah, I got also 2 creams, Victoria's Secret and I think Bath Body Works. And then I have this little Tide mini thingamajiggy. I have a filer, and then I have this from my 15 2 years ago. Here I have my little makeup section, and I have another thing that says, when you feel like quitting, think about why you started. That's me and like everything. Yeah, I have my little lash curler. Yeah, that's it. Patrick Star bronzer. NYX. This is so pretty. I love it so much. Okay, whoops. And my ELF pomade. It's pretty good. I like it. It's the deepest shade from ELF. And then this from Anastasia. This is dark brown. I like it. It's pretty good. It's powder. You know, I can't. Right there. Okay. So then I got this little Tarte shade. Yeah, it's this little, I don't know, mauve purple shimmery shade. Pretty cute. And I have these things. Then I have a sharpener, and then I have the Patrick Star scrub, which is pretty good. And then I have eyeliners. I have lash glue right there, the waterproof one and the normal one. I have mascara, perfume, Anastasia lip gloss, Ulta lip gloss. This is just little liguitas, and then I don't know what's here. And then I have receipts here, receipts. Then my color guard tape. Then over here, of course, I have my Christmas tree, and this is what I bought today, the Kat Von D tattoo liner, waterproof liner. This is the precise one. This is tattoo liner, Trooper Black. Got that, and then I got this today as well as Tilly's, so I don't know, because I need rings, and like especially, I got nails today, so I want them to look, you know, nice. And well, yeah, it's just princess. I have my cables there. I have my pre-cow book and like another thing down there. Over here I have all my pictures, and I have this little thingamajiggy that I made. It's pretty cute. Inexpensive. Yeah, inexpensive. So if you want to know how to make this, just comment down below, and well, you could make this as a Christmas gift. Over here is a peace and love, and well, my fine arts banquet, and then practice, and then a 15, Valeda's 15. Then this was state. Yeah, state TB. Okay, so then I have another picture from a 15, and then banquet, my 15. Oh, I live with parents. Okay, over there, Amy, and then over here I have the YouTubers, Natalie's Outlet, Wenji, and Karina Garcia. And another 15, and then my 15 with my aunt and my tío and my cousin, and like a little drawing from Amy, so thank you so much. Up here I have an A, and then some picture albums, and then my little ramo when I was 15, that was me, 5th grade. And then I have my little crown and my Q&A book. I have to answer that today. I have another ramo from Marlene's, and it's pretty cute. I have this panda when I went to Washington my first year with my cousin, my uncle, and my grandma, and some albums there. And over here I have a Pandora bag that I got from my 15, and just little dices that have like this, the 1/6 because I'm 16. And my little Stitch, my little flower from my 15, I still have it. It's already 2 years, so like. Then I have brushes over here, and then I have, you know, candy and a USB drive. And I have a little Polaroid, but I need film. So if you guys know where to find film from, like from this kind of, you know, I'm gonna get it from this camera, please tell me and help me, because I need to buy some film. It's probably on Amazon. Picture with my friend Efrain, cousin Alejandra, Marlene, Iran, my uncle, I love you. More pictures right there. Yeah, I have a lot of pictures over here. I really want to make this like big over here, make this big huge wall of Polaroids. I have a couple of lashes over here. I have a laptop here. I cleaned this as well. I also cleaned this. I have palettes here. I broke some palettes over here. Kim K, oh yeah, the Jaclyn Hill, and this one. I have tape here. I have this. I have stickers. What else? I mean, that's pretty much it. I just have that. My laptop. Okay, so what's up? Okay, so little haul, right, from today's day. Okay, so I went to Forever 21 because I got a gift card from a Christmas party. And this is what I got. It's like really cute. I can't wait to wear this. It's Barbie and it's a turtleneck. And it's like, it's like really cool. Really comfy. And I got this little jacket, which is really cute too because I love jackets. As you can tell, I have a lot of jean jackets. And this is what I got. I got like a silver one. It has a hoodie. And I don't know, like, I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but it's really cute. So that is what I got. Oh yeah, the Kat Von D liner and the earrings that I got from Tilly's. That's pretty much it. Let me go back to my other side of the room. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, click that like button down below. And if you guys are not subscribed and still watching this video, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you guys could get notified whenever I post a video on my channel. And if you guys want to learn how to do that, just comment down below. If not, you could like DM me on my Instagram. That's _alo_. I hope you guys are having a good day whenever you're watching this, or I don't know. Hope you guys are smiling. That's pretty much it. And once again, Merry Christmas. It's that time of the month. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Why is it tilted? Deodorant. I can smell your freaking pits. Put it up! Danny! Danny, stop! Stop moving it. This is my room. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Mila. Okay, awesome. Let's start.